Hello everyone and welcome to our Excel tutorial series. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to get data or how to import data from the web onto your spreadsheet, right? So let's say there's a website from where you want to get some data onto the spreadsheet. So as an example, I've pulled up this 2020 Summer Olympics medal table Wikipedia page, right? So if I scroll down on this page here, I can see there's a table that contains the medals for all the countries. So it will tell you the rank, the name, the gold, silver, bronze medals it won, and the total medals. And this is quite an extensive, large table. And so the most arcane way to do this would be that you copy it from here. Let's say let's copy a subset of this table and I paste it in my Excel sheet, right? But as you can see that this gets messy pretty quickly, and this is not. I go to my data tab here, and I get so here's an option of get data, right? So next to this option, you can see get data from web. So I click on this, and it will ask you for a URL. So I'll just go over, copy my the URL that I want, and I'm going to paste it here, right? And once I've pasted it here, you can see that now it's going to analyze that page and it's going to build a connection with that website, and then it's going to show you all the data that was on that page, and then you can select which data out of it that wants. It just takes a little time, but you're going to see here. Here you can see that it has imported all of that data over here, right? And what one did we want? We wanted this one, the 2020 Summer Olympics medal table. As you can see, this heading suggests, right? So if we click on this one, it will show you that table, and this was exactly the table that we wanted. And we'll give you a few options here: load, transform data, and we're going to talk about all of these in subsequent videos. But for now, all you have to do is just click load, and it's going to now you can see here that it's getting the data from that table. It will get that data and display that data right here in front of you from that web page onto your Excel sheet, and now you can use this data for whatever you want in subsequent videos. And you can see here that there's queries and connections, and in subsequent videos we're going to talk about all of these options and what you can do with these tables. So stay with us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.